Hey, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo Flush Rail base roof rack system for the 2019 through 2022 and likely beyond Lincoln Aviator with factory installed flush side rails. This system includes a set of 4 of the Evo Flush Rail foot pack and a set of 2 of the WingBar Evo load bars offered in silver or black, and the vehicle specific fitting kit. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the fitting kit, which includes a set of 4 of these rubber molded base pads and 4 of these rubberized metal flush rail brackets and 4 of the fasteners. So these individual components have numbers associated to them, which correspond to numbers that are assigned to these in the instruction sheet. And these guide you in the correct placement on the foot. And I'll show you how these work on the foot. Starting here, we have the Evo flush rail foot. Let me remove the front cover. And with that front cover removed, you can see we have a threaded post here. So the components of the fit kit not only have numbers associated to them, but also they have letters. So here we have the inner bracket, which is labeled with the letter A, and so that goes on first. So I'll just press that, set that on the inner portion of the foot. Now the next part that goes on is the rubber base, which has the letter B associated to it. So I'll go ahead and press that to the underside here. And then we have letter C, which is the outer portion of the bracket. And then we have the fastener, and I'll go ahead and just start threading that on to get that started. Now the next step with the installation is to install the load bar. So here we have the Thule WingBar Evo load bar. This one we've cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. There is a dedicated track, and that dedicated track is accessed by opening the end cap, and then you can slide in the appropriate hardware to hold carriers and accessories directly to the top of the bar, giving a very clean, integrated method of attachment. And now when it's time to install the foot onto the bar, I'll just take this end cap off, and here we have a slot. Within this slot we have this plastic measuring device. Now these measurement numbers are not referenced in the instruction sheet, so these can be used for manually centering the bar on the roof of the vehicle. Here we have the foot again, and we can just slide that into the slot, and we'll pull this measuring device up to the inner edge of the foot. Now when it's time to take this over to the vehicle, we first want to reinstall that end cap, and that will stop this foot from slipping off the end of the bar while you're maneuvering it around on the vehicle. Okay, now when it's time to install this onto the vehicle, we have a tool that's included. Here we have the tool, and that's used to tighten the fastener. So what you generally do is tighten half of the tension on one side, then go to the other side and tighten the other side, the other half, about 50%. So when you're finishing, this handle is designed to where it'll click, and then that way you will know when it's fully tightened. So I'll go ahead and tighten that completely until I get that click so you can hear it. Okay, so the handle clicked, indicating it's been fully tightened. Now you notice here on the underside, we have some exposed area. And so what we want to do is fill that in with this rubber that's included with the load bar. And that'll maintain your good aerodynamic performance on the underside of the bar. Okay, so next we can go ahead and replace that outer cover with a snap. And with that snapped into place, we can give this plastic plug a quarter turn, and that'll hold that cover into place. Now you do have the option to replace that plastic plug with a metal lock cylinder. And that metal lock cylinder will go in place of that plug and give you a high level of security for locking the cover and in turn locking the roof rack to the side rail of the vehicle with one key. And so these lock cylinders can be purchased in matched sets, a 4-pack, a 6-pack, 8-pack, and beyond. So not only can you have your roof rack locked with one key, but you can even have your accessories that you've added that are part of Thule's one key system all key matched, so that one key can secure all your items. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Thule Evo flush rail based roof rack system for the 2019 through 2022 and possibly beyond Lincoln Navigator with flush side rails. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. Please like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe if you want to see over 2,000 rack-related videos that are found on our site with new videos uploaded weekly. And if you have any questions or comments about this rack system, just leave those in the comment fields below. And thanks for watching.